I think the site lied to me. Oh my god. We're getting there, boys! I kid you not, that is word for word what she told me. Like, kick you in the balls, but you like it a little bit. There's no way she just straight up didn't have any liquid in there. It's legit. Look, it looks pretty good. That looks like jambalaya. So basically the idea is that I'm gonna cook exactly how cooking mama would for making jambalaya. I'm still getting there. I think I'm like 3 away.
So that was a lie.
From getting the jambalaya one. So once the jambalaya is one, we'll start making jambalaya. First, we're gonna get the rest of this out.
5 minutes later.
Sauteed liver and chives. Wait, hold up. Where is this jambalaya? Is it coming up soon? I kind of staked everything on this jambalaya recipe.
20 minutes later.
I think the site lied to me. Oh my god, is it? No, this is awkward.
Later.
I feel lied to. Mama lied to me. Just like how life usually lies to you. Man, that got dark real quick. Is recipe number 55? What recipe am I on?
Much later.
Guys, thank you so much for being all here to help me out. It's a mission, boys.
Much later.
I think I've literally... Oh, Tokutan. Oh my god! Holy shit! We're getting there, boys! Boys, we're getting there!
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I think... Oh wait, I think that's jambalaya! Yeah, that is. I saw the picture online. So. F***ing did it! Let's go! I'm so hungry, I need to make this f***ing shit! We're at jambalaya, boys! So we're gonna do this step by step because I don't remember exactly what's inside, so we're gonna figure this out. It's a very big piece of bacon. All right, so cutting bacon is first step. I know exactly what music you want, Juan. It's this, right? This is my cooking music, guys. You ready? And we're just gonna use all the f***ing bacon. So she had a full-on unsliced bacon, but it's already pre-sliced. I can't really buy it like that. So, but it was kind of like a full cut like this. Slice up the ingredients. Small knife. We'll do small knife. What is this? Chicken legs. Okay. So they're really just cutting it straight, which is interesting. Huh. It doesn't seem like they have sausage on here, which is odd, considering sausage is like such a big part of jambalaya as a whole. It looks like they use sausage in the other game. I don't want to waste the sausage I bought for jambalaya, so we'll cook it with it. I kind of want thicker pieces of sausage in here. True andouille sausages are smoked already, from what I remember. They're smoked, so they hold their shape better when they're cooked. Here's the chicken legs. So she cuts it very thin like that. On to the next part. Let's go. All right. So it's garlic. Is that it? There's onion. Onion's diced. Garlic is minced. Very fine diced too. And then bell pepper. So there's no carrot. I think the one I looked up had carrot in it. But we'll go with it. And let's cut some garlic. Oh Jesus, I forgot that it would shake the whole entire thing. All right, we'll just do it this way then. I personally don't care to mince garlic too much. If you want to, you can just like mince this a lot more, but I actually like having bigger pieces of garlic. Cut it like that, and you only cut the top off. So much faster peeling it. I say that and I'm having trouble. All right, yeah. Boom. Already done. This is like the thing that everyone talks about. Like everyone's like, oh, do you know how to dice an onion? Do you know how to dice an onion? Cut it up like this, down like that. Best to do it in one stroke. Do it about 3 times and go down. Now the fancy way to do it is really annoying and I'm not gonna do that. But you basically peel off each part of the onion after you cut it and you individually slice it after that point. So not really for me, especially for a dish like jambalaya, it's totally not worth it. Boom. That's it. And in the words of my chef, if you have a problem crying with onions, stop being a bitch and cut it faster. I kid you not, that is word for word what she told me. The way I was taught is you take it from this way, and you kind of close it in like that. And you get more of the top off, and you don't have to waste it. So, there we go. Some diced bell peppers, very simply. Here's the real question, guys. How many serrano peppers should I add to this jambalaya? How spicy do we want this thing? We'll keep like half, I guess. So if I was making this for Riley, I'd probably make them all. I'd just add them all in there. Alright, now note to self, Jordan, do not touch your eyes right now, because you will fucking regret the hell out of that. Next steps. Alright, tell me what I need to do, Cooking Mama. I need you to tell me. Touch the icons to add ingredients and keep them hand moving so they don't get burnt. Oh, we have to cook it. What? Wait a second. Hold up. Huh. Okay, so I should, according to this, I need to simmer it first before prepping the rice. That's interesting. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we'll go with that, I guess, since that's the way Mama wants it. So we're gonna start with mid-lower heat with the bacon. It didn't have any real oil in it, so I'm just gonna use the bacon fat. And then we'll also use the sausage fat as well once it's a little bit more rendered down. Alright, bacon is going. You hear ASMR bacon. Alright, and then we're gonna add the sausage from here. And then we'll add the chicken. Alright, another thing that's kind of weird is that they didn't add any salt to this. It's just like cooking the vegetables and meat. But we're gonna do as Mama says. No salt until she says so, I guess. Get all the peppers.
Oh wow. Dude, that's gonna be spicy.
Well, no, I mean like it's so these are chili peppers. This is bell pepper.
Wait, question. Is jambalaya supposed to be spicy or
Yeah.
is it just how it's spiced?
It's supposed to have a kick. It's supposed to like kick you in the balls, but you like it a little bit.
Dude, you don't need it. I like getting kicked in the balls like full like
Yeah.
10%, not just a little bit.
I'm sure your girlfriend can tell us.
Dude, my food's gonna kick me in the balls, just fucking steel toe bacon. Holy shit.
I'm so sorry if anyone has motion sickness. This is how it looks. This is how the food looks right now. As good as quality as Food Network, promise. Everything should more or less be cooked at this point. Definitely not nearly as fast as Cooking Mama said it would. Alright, I think we can move on to the next step while it simmers down. I don't know what pan she had, but that thing was massive. Alright, let's go to the next step. Alright, stir, add water and pour out. Okay. Okay, cool. I think that was the first time I ever did the rice right. Oh wow, it's almost done. That's it? Alright. So, according to this, I stir fry the rice with the stuff, which is fine, that makes sense. Okay, so next part is stir frying the rice with the stuff. When it comes to jambalaya and kind of like pan cooked rice, you want the rice to be cooked inside the pan, so you stir fry the rice with the oil. So it makes sense what she does. Yeah, I think 2 cups of rice roughly. We're gonna eyeball the shit out of this. This is roughly about 2.5 cups of rice. Remember to wash your rice. It's important to wash the rice.
Why do we need to wash our rice?
Washing the rice really does ensure that the starches aren't too much for it.
Dishonor on you, your family, and your cow!
And then you want to toast the rice at this point. So risotto and paella is made very similarly. They say actually that jambalaya comes from paella. Now, strange enough, I haven't added salt at all. It's kind of concerning to me. So while everything is toasting and simmering in a pan, I'll turn it down a little bit and then we're gonna go into the next step. We're in the final parts of the jambalaya, guys. Are you excited? I'm excited because this is my fucking dinner. I'm so excited and I'm very hungry. All right, last part. While keeping an eye on the temperature, stir until the gauge appears green. Wait, what the f? What's gonna cook the rice? Tomato sauce, Cajun spices, bay leaves. I mean, I hope so too. I mean, according to her, it's just tomato. There's literally no water. She didn't add water. What the f is gonna cook the rice? All right. According to her, I just add tomato sauce. But there was so much more water. I think she just assumed you add water. What? Oh, God. I don't know, man. She looked like she had some more liquid in there. I'm just saying. Oh, God, tomato sauce. All right. I just don't want to waste it, bro. There's so many ingredients here. Well, she said tomato sauce. I'm using tomato paste, but I think that's what she meant. She just magically had water in there. I don't know. We don't even know what liquid it was. There's no way she just straight up didn't have any liquid in there. If I don't add any liquid to this, then it's gonna burn. Alright, I'm concluding the fact that Mama didn't know what the she was talking about. Black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic pepper, paprika. Okay, cool. Salt, pepper. But we'll add a liquid right now, just to have it. But, okay, to be fair, we did see liquid inside of Cooking Mama's recipe, so I want to make that clear. We did in fact see there was liquid in there, even though she didn't say to put it in. We saw liquid in there. Well, actually, the jambalaya is working. Now that I added fucking liquid to it, so looks good. Like, the rice is almost done. The rice is fairly cooked through. There's a little bit of a crust on the bottom. Pretty good. Like, it looks honestly really good. Like, surprisingly so. It's legit. It looks pretty good. That is looks like jambalaya. You know, legitimately, it's actually really good. Holy shit. It's pretty good. That's quite nice. I like the kick. It's good. I mean, other than the liquid part, it is good. Like, it's undeniably pretty. Alright, Cooking Mama. I give it like a... It's not the best. I give it like a 7 out of 10. I'll take out 1 point for not telling us to add liquid. That's like, it seems like a really important point. So, 6 out of 10. But it is legitimately jambalaya. Like, I think if you gave this to a Cajun person, they wouldn't say it's the best jambalaya, but they can say it is jambalaya. They recognize it, you know what I mean? I think it looks like the jambalaya there. It looks almost pretty much exactly the same, actually. That's jambalaya from Cooking Mama. There you go. I mean, it looked, dude, does it not look exactly like it?
It looks like the picture.
It does look exactly like it, right?
Dude, it's like spot on.
Right? Pretty good. Does Mama have a good recipe for jambalaya?
Dude, you did it better than Mama. Holy shit, that's good.
One thing I noticed. Very good.
Better than Mama.
Better than Mama.
That's my rating.
Better than Mama.
Better than Mama